Hello students, wish you all a very good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Okay students, and I hope that you all have celebrated your festival, you have enjoyed a lot. And students, today is the time as a calculation which the last chapter was going on, lines and angles. Okay. It means few of you have told that sir, show the angles and lines and angles. So it was the second lectures on it. So before proceeding, what you have to do as usual, that take out your textbook and get ready for the today's class. See students, today we will discuss what adjacent angle. In last video might have you have remember what topics we have covered. Okay. Apart from it, today we will discuss what adjacent angle. If I talk about adjacent, what is adjacent? Adjacent, you are knowing. Have you listened earlier? Adjacent. It means common. Okay, common in all. Okay. See, in adjacent, what we will see. First of all, we have to keep in memory. Here, common vertex will be there. Common arm will be there. What the common arm, except common arm, what the either sides are there, that will be non-common to each together. Okay, that will be non-common to each together. So let's see how. Suppose to be students, it is a figure. Okay, A O C. One line segment in between, that becomes B. It is center O. Okay. All angles, see, angle 1 and angle 2. See, we can see there are two angles are forming, angle 1 or angle 2. Angle 1 names angle AOB, angle 1 names angle AOB, angle 2 BOC. They for both angle, angle 1 and angle 2, which is a common vertex? This is a common vertex, which helps to form an angle. So students, be careful. This is a common vertex. It means first satisfied, second common arm, which apart from in these all lines, which is the common arm. Angle B is the common arm. Why? Because in both angles, angle B is coming. Okay. See, angle 1, angle AOB, angle 2, BOC. You can see BB. It means common arm also including. Now see, non-common arms are on either side. What are the other sides? If I talk about this angle, then it will be the non-common arms. If I talk about this angle, then this angle will be non-common arm. We can see in angle 1, angle AOB is there, then angle AOB is there. But see, we can see in angle 2B, angle BOC. It means A is absent here, C is absent. We can see. So we can say that non-common arms are on either side. What except the common arms, what the other two sides are there, that will be the non-common arms for the each together. Okay, students. So it's all about the adjacent angle. In adjacent angle, it means common vertex will be there, common arms will be there. It means what the angles will be formed, that will be formed on the same vertex. Okay, students. What the angles will be formed, that it will be formed with a common arms. And what the other two arms will be there, that will be the non-common to each others. Okay, students. See, now adjacent you have understood. See, next we will discuss about linear pair. What is linear pair? Students, I let you know these chapters are very important. Whenever you have understood the lines and angles, definitely 95% of it you have learned how to explain, how to prove that all the theorems that are completely based upon lines and angles, adjacent angles, exterior angles, vertically opposite angles. It means cointer angles, linear pair. These are the theorems that based all geometry questions. Okay, only these things. So we try to understand very carefully so that what the proofs questions will come to you in front of you, that you will be able to solve. It's very important to solve. Okay, students. So we will discuss about next chapters. What is the next topic? If I talk about next topic, what is the next topic? Next topic is linear pair. What is a linear pair? In linear pair, what we will see here also, same adjacent angles will be there. When the adjacent angles will be formed, on that time the sum of two adjacent angles will form 180 degree. That is called linear pair. See students, see the sum of two adjacent angles are 180 degree is called linear pair. We can see it is a PQ is a straight line, and we as we know that a straight line always form a 180 degree. So P and Q are a line. It means it is already 180 degree. Which of them? We can see O is the center or O is the point on the line where an angle forms A. An angle forms on A, and after that it divides in two different angles. That difference in two different angles. Angle one is Y, angle two is X. It means AOY or AOX. There are two angles are forming. But what the linear pair say, it is a common vertex. It is common vertex for both. It is common arm for both. So in such conditions, the sum of this angle and this angle, when we will we will find the sum, then it will be the PQ. Right now, what is there? POA. Right now, POA is there. One angle POA, AOP, and second angle AOQ, either QOA. It means angle 1 or angle 2. We can say when we will find the sum of two angles, it means what the sum will be there, P and Q we will get. So in such conditions we can say that linear pair, sum of two adjacent angles when it forms 180 degree, that is called linear pair. So students, whenever you will start to prove the questions, these all things will come to you, and these will help to prove the theorems as well as questions also. So be careful and study it. So students, now we will discuss about the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle, students, when these all things will come in front of you, then suddenly your mind will be stopped to work. What type of steps we will do so that the theorems will be adjusted. So these all things, whenever these all things are written in your mind, definitely your mind will work certain. Okay. See, vertically opposite angle. Okay, students, opposite you know very well. Opposite you know very well. Vertically it means one upper, second just in front of. That is opposite. Vertically opposite. See, when two lines intersect each other. When two lines intersect each other, as you can see, PQ and RS both are intersecting. What is the theorem? Theorem is that when two lines intersect each other, okay, जब दो कोई भी line intersect करता है आपस में, ठीक है, intersect it means they are passing at the same point, okay, and form a pair of two opposite angles. Definitely, when two lines will pass to each other and to intersect at the same point, definitely two angles will be formed. Why two angles will be formed? Four angles will be formed because it will create four angles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will make four angles. Say, are called vertically opposite angles. But it is talking about vertically opposite angles. I am saying about vertically opposite angles. It means if I talk about vertically opposite angles, it means this and this will be vertically opposite. Angle 1 and angle 2 both are vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 and angle 4 both are vertically opposite angle. Okay, students. So it's very important to understand vertically opposite. Okay, vertically opposite. If we will take angle QOR and angle POR, it will be adjacent. It will be adjacent. As well, why? Because R and O both are the common vertex will be there and common R will be there. That's why it will be adjacent. But it is talking about vertically opposite. That's why we are escaping this side or this side. We are taking this side or this side. Okay. And if we will consider this side, then we will skip this side. Okay. So it's very important to understand vertically opposite angle. Okay. We could not take the common. Why? Because the vertex as well as the R will be both common. And when it will be common, then definitely we can say that it forms an adjacent angle. So students, we can say that PQ and RS are two lines which is intersect to each together at O. Okay, at O both are intersecting and forming an angle. Which angle? Angle POS. We can say angle POS, SOQ, QOR, and POR, forming an angle. Angle POS and angle QOR. POS and angle QOR. Angle SOQ and POR both are known as vertically opposite angle. So students, might have you have understood what is the vertically opposite angles, what is adjacent angles, what is linear pair. These all are the very important terms where that is important to be understand. Okay. and I hope, I expect from everyone for the positive result. Very sure your examination is going to be conducted. So update yourself and all the best. What the remaining parts of this chapters are there, we will see in the next video. Thank you.